Life before Ideal was relying on the few jobs once in a while that I would get. Before Ideal, I did have a greater degree of uncertainty of certain items when it came to what was beneath the surface, what was beneath what you saw on a wall, what you walk on. I knew that things were there, but I didn't fully understand the full grasp of what it took to put it up or to even repair. I knew some things, but I didn't know the full scope of everything. Since Ideal, life has changed by improving the knowledge set and the skill set that I had going into Ideal, clarifying what was the proper way of doing things versus the uncertainty if I was accurate or correct when I would do stuff. Some of the life lessons that I acquired from the school were working with other people, being able to receive orders or tasks, being able to finish where somebody else left off, being able to start something and if somebody else needed to pick up for me, communicating correctly what I did so they know what to do to finish the project. There was definitely a shell that I had, a certain way of doing things that I understood, but I didn't know how to communicate as effectively. Now I am able to do that more efficiently with other people. As a result of going to the school, the Ideal Trade Institute prepared me for the workforce by being able to give me a better understanding of how a building or a house or an apartment is supposed to be constructed versus just kind of guessing. Without knowing what to look for, I would have gained a lot of the experience and knowledge, not all of it, but it would have definitely taken a lot longer. Discovered a lot of that new information. Everything seemed to be consolidated to something quick and easy to grasp through the school. Going to Ideal has broadened confidence in what I know and what I can do for customers and the market. I have a stronger degree of confidence in what I can do and perform for other people that minimizes my hesitation when it comes to going out and finding new jobs. So I am more willing to expand myself beyond one or two employers. I'm in a better place professionally because of the Ideal Trade Institute.